Squall was located along a line extending from Monroe to near Sheffield, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Source, radar and automated observation indicated. Impact, travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. Locations impacted include Westfield, Northampton, Greenfield, Deerfield, Easthampton, Monroe, Southwick, Southampton, Hatfield, Williamsburg, Huntington, Burnhamston, Buckland, Conway, Shelburne, Russell, Ashfield, Coleraine, Westhampton, and Grenville. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall. Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions. Reduce speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. Here is the